beauty. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed to this channel, make sure to click the bell next to the subscribe button. Yeah, so yeah, obviously you want to see how I created this makeup look, because I mean, you think it's dope, right? Thank you. You don't have to say anything, like thank you. Don't mind me. Anyway, let's just get straight into the video.
So I'm going to start off by using my Smashbox face primer to prime my face. I'm using a brush because I don't want to use my fingers to stimulate my pores and for them to bring out oils. So now I'm going to go into my NYX color corrector, and I'm just basically color correcting under my eyes and the dark spots that are on my face, so that when I apply my foundation, it will just be a flawless canvas. Next, I'm using my Essence brow pencil, and first I'm brushing my brows out, then I fill them in with the pencil. Next, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. The name will be listed in the description box below, and I'm just basically just correcting any mistakes I may have made as I was doing my eyebrows. Next, I'm going into LA Girl Pro Concealer again, but this time it's in Pure Beige. Actually, I remember the name of this one. And I'm going to put it on my eyelids, and I'm going to blend them out with my brush.
Next, I'm going to be using the Ben 9 Neutral Set Colorless Powder to set my eye concealer. And yeah, carry on. So now with the BH Cosmetics First Edition 120 Color Palette eyeshadow. What the heck am I saying? With this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using these blues. Well, from this row to this row. I'm going to be starting off with a really light blue, most likely this baby blue, as my transition color. So next I'm going to be going in with this purple and this blue as my second transition color.
So right now I'm just cutting my crease, and I'm using the same Pure Beige by LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut my crease. And this is really tedious, so you have to be really careful and have a very steady hand to do this.
So I just finished cutting my crease, and I'm waiting for it to dry, so I can't really look up, otherwise it'll just mess up totally and completely, which is really annoying. So I have to look sleepy. So after this dries a bit, we're gonna move on to the next step, so stay tuned.
In the previous step, I was just using white eyeshadow to set it, and now I'm using a light blue, and it's gradiating into a dark blue eyeshadow for the outer corners of my eyes.
So yeah, so I finished with my eyeshadow, kind of, and now I'm going to move on to my face. I'm going to put on my foundation, and then yeah.
Using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 and Revlon Photo Ready Illuminator, I mixed the two and I apply them onto my face in a stippling motion because I want my foundation to look flawless without any streaks or lines.
Next, I'm going back into the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige for my highlights. So right now I'm going to spritz my blending sponge, yes, with my NYX Dewy Finish long set spray, and you know, get this whole highlight blended out. Yeah. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in dark cocoa to contour and contour some more. This step, I'm going to go into my Laura Mercier loose powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Professional Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. That's a lot of blush to first of all contour using the darkest brown right up here, and then I'm going to use some blush and most probably something orange, probably this one.
I'm using the Essence eye pencil in blue to line my waterlines, and I'm being ever so careful so I don't poke my eyes.
So after this step, I'm going to go into some deep blue, and I'm just gonna, you know, go under my waterline and smoke it out and stuff. So right now I'm going to be mixing this purple and this purple, and we'll see what I get.
So basically, I'm just applying the blush that I mentioned before.
Now I'm going to go into my Old Faithful, which is the NYX compact powder, finishing powder actually, in No Filter, and it's in Sand. And I'm just going to basically take off all the setting powder and just blend everything together so that everything just comes together and, you know, it's seamless and no lines of demarcation. I'm sorry. So basically, I'm just gonna blend everything as well as sweep the excess powder off. So this is how I do it. Blend the contours so that they just, you know, go seamlessly together. I don't use so much powder because already I have dipped my brush in the can't talk. I've dipped my brush in the powder, and there's a lot of powder in this brush, to be honest, so I don't really need much, but so yeah. So I just blend everything. And right now on camera it may seem as if, oh my gosh, your highlights is so light, but in reality it's not like that. But everything is gonna come together when I spray my setting spray on my face. So right now, let's just, you know, blend everything out. So I'm going to go into my Kiko Milano eyeshadow in number 200. It's really broken inside, so I can't even open it and show you guys. But I'm just going to, you know, highlight the insides of my eyes and then my brow bones, and we'll see about highlighting the rest of my face with it. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes using Kiko Milano. So I just highlight like so, and it's so pretty. I really like this highlight. And I extend it to the lower part of my eyes just to open my eyes up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go into some more. Ooh! And just highlight. Because I want my eyes to be very blingy, okay? I like blingy eyes. So I'm gonna do the other side. And also it's gonna help hide the crazy line that I did before with my concealer. So. See? Not pretty. Just gonna take it in just a little bit. Alright. And next I'm going to do the brow bone. Just sweep it over as well as pat it on, so that the payoff, the pigment payoff, is a lot. Can you guys see? I'm gonna do that again. Do that for the other side. My eyebrows are so special, like they have a mind on their off their own. Today, I think today I really cannot talk. Wow. Okay. Now I'm disappearing off camera. Well, so this is it. Yeah. And now I'm going to highlight my nose. Can you see my mouth? I'm going to highlight my nose too. So what I do is I don't take it all the way down like that. I really don't like that at all. So I'm just going to highlight just the middle part of my nose, the bridge, just here. See? Beautiful, isn't it? Just the bridge, and then now the tip of my nose. Just right there. Highlight. Now it is blingy. Look at that! Whoa! Whoa! It is blingy. Let me go back again. Just highlight, highlight, highlight again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another thing that I like to do, which is to, you know, extend the inner corner of my eyes using my eyeliner. Because I know I naturally have big eyes, so I want them to appear smaller. I'm going to use this to go in. You have to be super careful, otherwise you mess it up. I think I kind of messed up the other side. Oh boy. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight, and okay, let me relax my face. The way I highlight is first I smile so I can find the apples of my cheeks and just highlight, and you know, do it in a circular motion so that it blends well, and I connect it to my brow bone so you know it has this nice C. So this is how I do it. Around, around, around. I also have to try and avoid my eyeliner so that I don't mess it up. And yeah, that's just basically it, really. So now it's just, you know, pretty nice natural highlight. I don't like doing it in a straight line. I like to, you know, do it in a circular motion and connect it to my brow bone. And now let me just add a little more because I just want to be extra for no reason. Around, around, around. Yeah. I'm gonna use two different types of nudes, and the first nude I'm going to use is this lip pencil from I don't know where. It has no name. I think it's called Italia. I don't know. And it's in mauve. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. And then the next one, I'm going to use the same Italia, and this is natural beige, and I'm just gonna try and mix the two together and see what I get.
Okay, Jay.
This is a lot. I'm going to use a brown lip pencil to bring this down like a lot because this is not looking good. It's so matte, so you have to work really quickly with it. Now I'm going to use the Essence Metal Shock lip paint in it doesn't say, so this is what it looks like. I'm just going to use it on the center of my lips. I'm just dabbing a bit. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And next I'm going to finish off this makeup look using my Dewy Finish by NYX Cosmetics, which is amazing. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe. And if you still have not subscribed, I will say it again, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed but you don't receive the notifications, just click the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll receive all the notifications once we upload and all the rest of it. So thanks again, and make sure to follow us on Instagram at Coral Beauty Ash, and on Facebook at Coral Beauty Ash too. Not two, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. So thanks so much again, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.